Alright, let's go explore Soi 8. This is Soi 8 right out the front. If you turn right when you come out, you'll go all the way up to the MRT train station, and from there you can catch a train anywhere. So the train station is just right at the end of this street basically. Just come out here, turn left. Right, there's heaps of hotels and there's a lot really family orientated, this place. Soi 8 in Sukhumvit. There's within 300 meters of the hotel there's 2 7-Elevens, and at the end of the street where the train line is, where the main road is, you've got all the bars, restaurants. Yeah, a lot of them, 80% of it's all family orientated. And then if you go to the end of the street, turn left, about 200 meters is Nana Plaza Soi 4. Yeah, if you know about Soi 4, you know about Soi 4. I think this is Hopeland Hotel. I think they've all got those little BART buses you could use. Like a popular hotel. I think he's selling like rooms and stuff. Apartment complex you can rent out. Condominiums. It's only like 8:40 in the morning, so Thais don't really get up until 10. It's the first 7-Eleven. There's another one within 150 meters. It's the Promenade Hotel. The outdoor restaurant. The BT residence, I think it's private accommodation, not sure. Looks like a good place for breakfast though, 8 to 2, 10 o'clock. Delphi Suites. There's the Monsoons Cafe and Restaurant, is pretty good for food. Right, you can see the MRT rain line, the monorail at the top there. That's how close it is to the hotel. Laundry service, foot massage. This is the start of the bar scene area. There's the other 7-Eleven. There's all these side alleys along it. I haven't ventured down here, but they've got some restaurants, looks like it. Someone's not sure of a quid here. Jesus Christ. Love the Thai wiring job on the Citadel bus. Takes you to the end of the street here. Another good restaurant here. Oh, there's another side alley. Incense oil, with all the smells. Probably some Buddhist tradition. There's a tattoo bar across the road, red hot hog bar and tattoo. Today at Soy 8 Bar. Alright, here's the end of the soy. The soys on this side of the road are all even. Soys on the other side of the road are all odd. Oh, this is the main street in Sukhumvit. If you go down there, is Asok, Terminal 21. Nana Station is right there. And Sukhumvit 8, so street number 8 Sukhumvit, that's what I think it means. Anyway, right, so the hotel's only 600 meters that way, and the bus will take you from any of the hotels to this point here, and then you just call them on WhatsApp and they come pick you up. Righto, let's go find somewhere to eat. See about here.